Hello, my name is Paul Lowe from the Melbourne School of Design. I'm a senior lecturer here. I'm also the co-curators of the Future Prototyping Exhibitions, together with Mon Q of United Make and David Leggett's of Power to Make. So I'm going to take you around for a virtual tour, so come with me. All right, let's go for a tour. So the piece right in front of you is Super Culture by Super Maneuver, an office based in Sydney. So instead of shipping these pieces down, we actually cut the 82 pieces here in Melbourne, in the Melbourne School of Design. So now we're kind of entering into the exhibitions. As I said before, the exhibitions are being split into categories of materials. So what you're seeing here is the first category, which is basically all synthetic. We have pieces by Roland Snook and his PhD students, Nick Bao. We also have a piece here by Mary Soropoulos and Joshua Lai. A couple of pieces on prosthetic by the Melbourne School of Engineering. And two art pieces here. This is a really interesting project. It's called I Give Internet a Wooden Heart. And we're going to come back a little bit and we will see that this is the timber category. You can see a lot of the posters up with videos on how some of the projects are being developed, including some pieces like this, the crude lamala, and the House 5 project with a one-to-one prototype of the roof. Okay, as we turn around, we're now entering into more synthetic territories. This is a piece by Mon Q, who is the other co-curators of the exhibitions. A piece by Greg Quinn, looking at a temporary shelter for humanitarian aids. This is a piece by 3 students from the Melbourne School of Design, which invented this hot wire cutter to cut double curve geometries. This is a piece by Chen from Swinburne University with Professor James Burry, Nicholas Williams, and Daniel Prohaski. We're also now entering the biological sections. Here we have a piece by Samantha Copland on perfumeries, where Samantha uses indigenous knowledge to mix new interesting smell. We have 2 pieces here using coffee as a medium. This is one by Mon Q again, and another one using coffee beans and bioresins. This is a piece, this is a mycelium piece, trying to grow mycelium structure, the future of what new constructions could be. And as we move into the fibrous sections, we have work by University of Canberra led by Ian Maxwell. We have a 3D knitted project by Leanne Zelka and Jenny Underwood. The parametric adjustable mold is a project that I've been working on for the last 3 years. Now we're leading into the concrete sections. These are concrete prototypes by Ben Melbourne. Beautiful, intricate pattern. Another project developed with Aarhus University. And a project here using clay as a formwork for concrete pouring. This is developed by students from the Melbourne School of Design. As we return into a large timber piece, and this is a piece by Professor James Burry, Kim Baba from University of Queensland, Chen Hui from Swinburne University, and Joe Gattis from University of Queensland. So turning around, we have a couple of pieces of work from the School of Fashions at RMIT. This project uses paper. You can see the beautiful fabrics of the projects and the actual sample that's being used for the project. Coming around, we have a piece that utilizes AI as a drawing medium. So you can see on one side we can have an input, and on the other side utilize the AI, inbuilt AI, to actually compute the outcome. Here you can see the various stages of transformations as we produce the inputs for the AI. Okay, we're almost coming to the end. With a few pieces, here's another piece on ceramics pieces. So now this is a piece called Material Disobedience. A piece by Danny Trubert, industrial designers using clay as a formwork for which you can cast metal. This is a piece by our faculty staff member, Lara and David Ma, which looks at the idea of micro gardens. And finally, this little bear, Scopy bear, which basically use, the films of yeast that was being produced on top of tea. That's basically what's being made from. Okay, so that's the exhibitions, and we'll come back a little bit to the book stands area. These and other projects here. Just give you a panoramic view. And on the book stands here, this is our book stands. We have another projects here that give us instructions, manual instructions on how to produce a mycelium for future pavilion design. Part of the exhibitions, we also have a catalog. So this catalog, edited by myself, Mon Q, and David Leggett on Power to Make, essentially captured all the projects, the 36 projects that's in these exhibitions. The catalog has introductions by the editors, short essays by me on making as kind of a research methodology, and also a foreword by Professor James Barry. All right, so that gives you an overview of the tour of these exhibitions. Last final pan.